like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. We provide these videos for transparency for our clients and our social media followers. We have over 30 years experience in the industry, and we do our best to describe the vehicles that we sell. We want our clients to know exactly what they're getting into when they buy a repairable vehicle. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Ram 1500 Rebel with a diesel motor. So it's a 6-cylinder diesel. This is the first one I've seen since we've been buying these vehicles. I think the diesel motor was an option in 21 only, if I'm not mistaken. This is the first one we've ever had. Highly desirable, small diesel motor. So let's start with the damage. Looks like it took some damage down the right side. We'll start on the right front and work our way around. Headlight brackets look good. I don't see any damage. You're gonna need a front bumper cover. Need a right front fender. The wheel looks like it's sitting in place. I don't see any suspension damage. Right front fender into the rocker a little bit, so there's probably some damage behind that fender. Windshield is good, no stress cracks, which is a good sign. Doesn't mean that the hinge post is pushed in. Get a right front door complete, or a shell. Looks like all the components are good on the door. You got the glass, you got the mirror, a lot of good parts on there. Into the rocker panel a little bit. Probably need a rocker skin on there. Right rear door looks good. Your right rear bedside. Rear suspension looks like it's sitting in place. Bedside is damaged. See if we can see it. The frame on this side looks good, not pushed in. The rear tailgate is good. You're gonna need a rear bumper. Left rear bedside's in good shape. This is a good sign also, no movement here, so the frame is good. So no stress cracks on the windshield, no movement on the bed, which is all good signs. All the suspension looks good. Rear suspension sitting in place. Front suspension here and all around looks good. The unit does run in lot drive. Take a look under the hood, see if it's open. Here we go. So it's really nice under the hood. Apron on this side is in good shape. No movement on the motor. Motor sitting in place. Radiator, condenser, everything is good. Everything's good on this side as well. Let's take a look inside. Need 2 curtain airbags. Nice in here. Need a seat airbag. steering wheel airbag and passenger bag with the upper dash pad. Overall, not a bad builder. I think the worst part of it is the airbags. You gotta replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 airbags. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.